AI object fusion videos are going viral across social media right now. In this tutorial, I'll teach you exactly how to create videos like this. First, open the master prompt that I've added in the video description. Once you have the master prompt, copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate different video title ideas for you. Choose the one you like, then send it back to ChatGPT. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will turn your selected idea into a complete video prompt for your AI object fusion video. After that, open Google Flow and select the video option. Choose OmniFlash as your video model and set the duration to 10 seconds. Then paste your video prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your AI object fusion video will be ready, believins. Now, let's check the final video result.